Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the COSRX brand, their Vitamin E Sunscreen, 1.69 ounces. It has vitamin E in it, and it's daily essential to use, and should be applied at all times when you're going outdoors, regardless of the weather. So even if it's a little bit overcast, it still has some ultraviolet rays. Using a sunscreen every day helps to protect the skin from UVA and UVB rays. So this product is a multi-wavelength product, which means that it's going to work for all the wavelengths of the sun. Really nice container. It's 1.69 ounces, and it comes with a little safety cap on there. And you just remove that. Now let's take a look at what it looks like. And it's nice and absorbs right into your skin. Doesn't leave you feeling greasy. Very nice. And this just locks back in place just like that. So this gets really good customer reviews. People really seem to like this product. In terms of smell, I'm smelling it right now, and it's got a nice smell to it. Kind of reminds you of being outside in the sun. So this is a lightweight texture that leaves no white cast on the skin, they call it, make it usable for all skin colors. It's a semi-matte finish. And there's key ingredients in here to get that SPF 50 protection. We're talking about the broad spectrum, as I mentioned, UVA and UVB. And the vitamin E really does strengthen your skin and help you out in that area too. So you want to try and apply this 15 to 30 minutes before you go outside. And again, you can apply this before you put on your makeup. So this is all hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, animal tested free, parabens free, sulfates free, and phthalates free. So it's all safe for you to use. So I like this product. I like the way it smells, and my wife has tested it, and she put it on while she's doing yard work, and she doesn't get any sunburn, which is really nice. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.